Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you have been doing well. I have a fun bow tutorial for us today and let's get started. So the first thing that you're going to need is some yarn, and I'm also going to be using my 3.25mm crochet hook. Once you have everything set up, we're going to make our loop and put that on our crochet hook. I want my bow to be medium sized, as you can see in the beginning of the video, so I'm going to start off by chaining 8, and you also want to pick a number that is even, so you could do 10, 8, 6, but you do want to make sure there's enough stitches for the design. Now that I've chained my 8 stitches, I'm going to pull the yarn a bit and prepare to do my double crochet stitch. So I go under those 2 stitches, I pull that yarn forward, I wrap the yarn around my crochet hook and I pull through 2, and then I wrap around my crochet hook again and I pull through the last 2. And that's how you do a double crochet stitch, and I'll show you again. So you're going to go into the next stitch, pull that yarn forward, wrap around, pull through 2, and you'll wrap around again and pull through the next 2. So you're going to continue doing a double crochet stitch for the rest of the row. Once you've completed your first row, you're going to turn your work around and you're going to pull the yarn a little bit up and start your next row. So for the next row, we're only doing 2 double crochet stitches, and then I'll show you the rest. So you're going to go in there, wrap around, pull 2, wrap around, pull 2, and once again, this is going to be your last double crochet stitch for now. And then you're going to chain 1. Now you're going to skip 1 stitch and hop to the next one and do another 2 double crochet stitches. You can now see that our pattern is now showing, so I'm going to do my last double crochet stitch. And once I have completed this double crochet stitch, I'm also going to chain again and skip the next spot and hop into the second spot. So your second row that we are currently working on should be 2 double crochet stitches, chain up 1, skip 1, then do another 2 double crochet stitches, chain 1, skip 1, and then your last 2 double crochets. Once you have completed your second row, you're going to turn your work over and do another double crochet stitch, but this row will be all double crochet stitches. So once you get to the point where you chained up on the second row, you're just going to do a double crochet stitch. It might feel a little odd because there's not really a foundation under it, but just continue doing a full row of double crochet stitches all the way across, and you should still have 8 stitches that you are doing. So this is what your bow should be looking like, and I absolutely adore it. And I'm going to keep working on a couple of rows here, and then I'll give you some more details about the bow. So I've been working on a couple rows for the bow now, and I actually love this pattern that I've done here because it's super easy to remember where you are and what is the next step. And I also kind of like this archway part of the bow. It's just very simple but also intricate, and so I'm very excited to complete this. So yeah, you're just gonna keep working on it until it gets to a nice length that you can wrap it into a bow, and I will get to the point in the tutorial where I can measure mine for you guys, so you can also reference and make yours as long as that point as well. And without really stretching it, I'm just gonna kind of measure it as flat as I can. So it's measuring at about 34 inches. So that's how long my piece is here. And so this is kind of where I ended off. So I'm just going to snip so it's not attached. Oops, so it's not attached to my yarn ball anymore. There is my bow. And I'll actually show you guys how I did this since it's actually fairly easy. So you want to make sure that these are pretty much like that. This is in half. Kind of have it like this. Very loosely, you're going to cross it over. And then you're going to take this end and put it through the hole there. And you're just going to lightly pull, because then you want to move this string and maneuver it a little bit. And then you can pull more as you kind of see the bow shape. I'm going to tuck open that. You have your cute little bow. Well, thank you so much for tuning into this tutorial, and I hope that you have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you later. Don't forget to share, like, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe, because I'll have a lot of tutorials out for us soon. Catch you later. Bye.